Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a pipe socket in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here, take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the front plane. So we'll select here the XY plane. You can see it is the front view. Take the line command, make a rough sketch first. From this center point, we'll start and make a sketch first. Okay, make one line like this here, and this will go down this a taper profile, one here, and straight line and the joining line. Okay, now we have a closed profile. Now go to dimension, define here the total dimension of 32 mm and escape. Now here you can see this line is going inside, so we'll drag this. Okay, now here go to dimension and define the dimension. Define this as 10 mm. Okay, and here define this total as 18 mm. Okay, now define this as 18. Now the second one, this will be 15. Define this vertical dimension as 20 and this vertical dimension 18 mm. Okay, now here we are left with this profile. Select this, select here, define the angle here at 45 degree. Okay, escape. Now here we are left with this profile. This is moving profile here. So go to dimension, define this dimension as 10 mm and escape. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Okay, you can note down all the dimensions. Now here finish sketch, take here revolve, profile is selected, select this as center line and press OK. Rotate the profile, so this will be the base. Now we are going to make the cutting profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to rectangle and select the polygon command. We'll select here 6 sides. From the center point, make a polygon. Okay, I'll make it a bigger one. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center and select this. So this will be vertically aligned. Go to dimension, select this point and here select this point. Define this total as 34.6 and escape. Okay, now here select this profile, click on project geometry and finish sketch. Now we want to cut this outer profile from this polygon. Go to extrude, select this outer profile. Now you can see we have left the polygon profile inside. Here click on cut. The depth of cut will be 10 mm and press OK. Okay, so this will be the socket point. Now here I want to give a chamfer profile. Go to part 4. Now you can see here chamfer profile has been created. Go to part 1. For that go to origin. Here we'll select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Go to the line command. From this point make a corner triangle and join here. Okay, now from this center we'll make a center line and escape. Select this line, make it construction. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see the triangle profile. Go to sketch, dimension, select here and select here. This will be total of 3 mm and the angle here, for angle we will define the angle here as 30 degree. Okay, finish sketch, take revolve and here the revolve profile is been selected. For axis we will select this as axis and here I'll click on cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. Now you can see the cut profile. Okay, Now rotate. Now I want a whole profile. Go to part 4. When I rotate this, you can see a whole profile over here. Okay. Go to part 1. Select this face. Or first I will give the chamfers and fillets. Go to 3D model. Take here fillet. Take here a fillet radius of 1.6 radius. Go to edge selection and select this inner edge and apply. Rotate. Now when I rotate it, I have given on this edge the radius. Now I want a radius on this edge as well. I'll change the radius here to 0.5 and select here. Press OK. Okay. So the fillets are been given. Now I want to give a chamfer. Select this edge. I'll click here on chamfer. I want to give a chamfer of 3 mm. So the by default angle will be 45 degree. Okay, and press OK. Now for the hole, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the point command and select the center point. Finish sketch. Take here hole command, and here this will be a simple hole and seat will be counter bore. This will be a through hole. The C bore dia will be here of 28 mm. Depth of C bore will be 8 mm, and the bottom dia, this will be 18 mm, and press OK. Rotate. This will be the profile. Now here I'll define the appearance from here. So I'll give it a canary appearance. Okay, so this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a pipe socket in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.